Ekuseni sesitshela indaba zethu. Yes, ngifuna ukunigiva. I want to tell you your news. Yekani ba delusional. Ngicela siqale lapho. Can we stop being delusional? All these other ships that you guys are creating. Can we just focus on building Z? And I saw you guys were busy posting my TikTok content on Twitter where I was promoting wigs. I love that. That's what we need to focus on. Building Z as a brand. All these other things, guys. Can we just like
not even entertain them?
Yeah, not even entertain them.
We shouldn't even fight with other people for unnecessary stuff.
Yes, because they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. They know what they're doing, and you guys are literally giving it to them.
Giving them all the views and likes
and guys,
attention.
don't forget to go donate there by Zina Yeshipa, ne? Don't forget to go donate. La manyama shipa funu donate la angaz ngihlangana mina. Why bang involved ngihlangana mina? Zina Yeshipa, please go donate there. It's a fundraising mtasene. Yeah, baya okay, I'm not really sure what's happening, but I saw a post.
We don't follow like the
yeah. TV is boring without Siamosha housemates. Well, I think I miss being in the house. Is the Glueless wig brand your last endorsement legit? Love? Yes, very legit. That wig, guys, I love. That's my favorite wig. That is literally my favorite wig. Hey. But no one spoke about sheeps, Moss. You should go on Twitter. You should go on Twitter. Ning abantu engingabazi. Friend, if you don't get into beauty influencing industry, I'm gonna be mad. There's no way show me how. That's me. So how? Donate for Z alone. And Zina Yeshipas. All the other people that you guys are including me in and saying they must donate for me and them. I'm not sure. I'm lost. I'm not understanding.